Sure that all of them mix very well. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to have you. My name is Id Francis, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get rid of those ugly stretch marks. Yes, they are quite ugly. We don't want to have stretch marks in any part of our body, including me, and I know you don't want that too. I'm actually going to show you how to get rid of those ugly stretch marks in any part of your body, be it on your shoulders, your armpit area, your thighs, your tummy, or even on your hips, wherever you have them. If you will use this procedure consistently, then you will finally be saying, bye stretch marks, you are no longer mine, please go elsewhere. And this procedure is actually very easy. It's something that you can easily get in the market. It's not rocket science. It's not something that is in the mood. The problem I have with most people is that it needs consistency. Without consistency, you will not or might not be able to get rid of the stretch marks. Okay, so to make this, we're going to be using pure unrefined shea butter. Shea butter is actually very good for the skin. It has this moisturizing effect that keeps your skin smooth and keep those ugly stretch marks at bay. So I'm gonna take a little of this of the shea butter. That's just about a teaspoon of the shea butter. Then I'm going to be adding my cocoa butter. So I'll just add a little of the cocoa butter. The last but not the least is the mango butter. So just a little of the mango butter. Then I'm going to mix all of them together. To make this process actually easy, you can actually to make it easier, you could actually use the hot water bath to melt these butters together. Then you now mix them together, or you whip them together. Then if you are going to be making larger quantities, you can use your food mixer or your stick blender to blend all this in together. Blending the cocoa butter is kind of like hard because cocoa butter is actually the hardest butter of them all. So you just ensure that all of them mix very well. So all these butters contain a lot of fatty acid, so very good when it comes to healing of scars. Such if you have scars on your skin, you can apply this on your skin, the stretch marks. But the thing is that you need to apply this consistently. I usually do is just to spice things up by adding just a drop of the tea tree essential oil. Just gently mix them together. Okay, so this is our mixture. And basically what you're actually going to do is to take this butter, and apply it on those areas you have the stretch marks. Okay, just let me actually no, I'm sorry, I can't show you guys my legs. No, I just can't. Okay, I'll just explain and I hope you will get it. If you don't, just let me explain it to you. But I can actually demonstrate it using my shoulders. That's the best I can actually do for you right now. Okay, so you're just going to massage it in the places where you have the stretch marks. You can see like basically what I am doing now, and you should do this morning and evening. So whenever you finish having your bath, you need to apply it. Before you go to bed, you apply it, and little by little you will notice that the stretch marks will actually fade. Okay, if you can't get hold of mango or cocoa butter, you can use only shea butter, which I know that is like available almost everywhere. Just mix them together and the stretch marks will be gone. I think I've shown enough skin, so let me be decent. Okay, so that is what I actually use to get rid of my stretch mark, or to reduce it. Okay, and I hope this video was quite helpful to you. If it was, do not forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram on ID Francis. And I'm gonna see you in my next video right away and very soon. Bye.